Good morning, students. Welcome to second PU English online class. Students, yesterday I had told you about active and passive voice and how active voice just changes into passive voice and what are the necessary steps we must take while we are going to change active voice to passive voice. That's And I think you had gone through the video clippings which I had sent you yesterday. Now, students, do remember every verb has three forms: present tense form, past tense form, and past participle forms. Now, look at the three forms which I had written on the board. I think it is very clear for you. Three forms of a verb: present tense form, first column; past tense form, second column; past participle form, third column. For example, give is a present tense form. Its past tense form is gave, and past participle form is given. This past participle form is used only in passive voice. The use of a past participle form of each and every verb is we should use that past participle form in passive voice only. Therefore, all of you must know the past participle form of some verbs. See, take, present tense form; took, past tense; taken, past participle form; and write, wrote, written; send, sent, sent; called, called, called; call, called, called. This called past participle form will be used in passive voice only. Students, yesterday you had seen that in an active voice, three things must be remembered. For example, look at example number 1, which I have written on the board. Romeo loved Juliet, active voice. Here, Romeo is subject, loved is a verb, and Juliet is object. First of all, when you see a sentence, all of you must observe these subject, verb, and object, because there is a rule that which I had told you. Whenever we are going to change from active to passive voice, the subject in the active voice becomes the object in the passive voice. And object in the active voice becomes the subject in the passive voice. And third thing, necessary change of the given verb in active voice will be used. Necessary change of the verb. Verb changes. Now look at example 2. I had written that active form into passive. Juliet was loved by Romeo. Look there. Juliet was loved by Romeo. Here, Juliet in active voice is object, whereas it becomes subject in passive voice. It becomes subject. Then Romeo was subject in active voice, that becomes object in passive voice. And necessary changed form of the verb. That's very, very important that you should know. Whenever we are going to change from active to passive voice, in passive voice, If the subject is singular, then we must use, do remember, if the subject is singular, we must use the helping verb was and past participle form of the given verb loved is used. Hence it becomes Juliet was loved by Romeo. Suppose the subject is plural, instead of going to write was, we must use were. W-E-R-E, were. When the subject is plural in passive, do remember. Students, don't be under any confusion. Do remember, in second PU class, the question will be asked for you only write the suitable form of the verb in passive. This portion is very, very important. Should not think any other things. That's why I have written here to remember in the next. Look here. Number one, next example. I have written an example. I write a letter. You know, I is the subject, write is a verb, and a letter is an object. As I have told now, its passive forms is like this. The object becomes subject, you know. A letter becomes subject in passive, and I, the pronoun will be changed here, me. I becomes me. And what necessary changed form of the verb you are going to fill here? That's you know. Will you try? Will you guess? I say the answer, don't worry. A letter, because the subject is singular, a letter was written. Why was? Why you are going to use was? Because the subject is singular, was written. Why you write written? Because here write is there. It's a past participle form of the verb. Must be used. That's why the answer is a letter was written by me. Clear? Second example. I write letters. Here I is the subject, you know. Write is verb, you know. And form of the verb. Can you tell me what suitable form of the verb you are going to fill here? Letters dash by me. The answer is very clear. Letters were written. Why we should use were? Because the subject is plural. When the subject is plural in passive, then you should not use was. Instead going to use was, you have to use were. Then past participle form of the verb, written, written. Clear? And last one, you only have to say the answer. The principal instructed students. Here the subject is principal. Instructed verb. Students object. What's the answer? Can you guess? Students. What type of helping verb you are going to use here? Was or were? Were. Students, plural form. That's why we must use were. Students were instructed, instructed, instruct present tense form, instructed past tense, instructed same past participle form. Therefore students were instructed by the principal. Like this, the passive forms must be used in every time. Okay. Now some of the examples I would like to show you in the screen. Okay, just look there. I would like to share the screen for you for your better convenience. Yes, students, just see there. Look at the screen. Example is given here. Now you are hearing only my voice. You cannot see me. So look the example there. The students were taken to Jog Falls on a picnic. Here, were taken to be underlined because were taken is passive voice form. Students were taken. Students, plural, the subject is plural. That's why were taken is must be used. Students were taken to Jog Falls on a picnic. Okay, first sentence. Second sentence, they were asked to report at 7 a.m. They were asked. They is a plural, that therefore we must use were asked. They were asked to report at 7 a.m. Okay, were asked is passive form. The driver of the bus was instructed to drive slowly or cautiously. The driver of the bus, here the driver is subject, therefore we are using was instructed. The driver of the bus was instructed to drive cautiously. Next sentence, the bus left at 7:30 a.m. Okay. The students were warned not to go near the falls. The students were warned. Why we should use were? Because students, plural form, were warned not to go near the falls. Then, breakfast was served on the bus. Breakfast was served. Breakfast is singular form, therefore we are using was served on the bus. They had a lot of fun and returned at 6 p.m. That is the screen. Okay, now come back. Okay, do remember students, today you know how the verb forms of active voice changes into passive. The question in our question paper will be like that. They are not asking change active voice to passive voice. That is a basic concept. Okay, they are not asking the question like that in second PU. Instead, they are asking the questions like change a suitable form of verb. For example, a letter dash into bracket write by the king. The answer is a letter was written by the king. Okay. The criminal dash into bracket sentence, bracket close, by the king? The answer is the criminal was sentenced. The answer was sentenced. Why? You know, singular plural form of the subject. The criminal was sentenced by the king. In this way, we have to change active to passive voice. For more question, I will come back in the next class. Okay. Have a nice time. I think you are safe and fine in your home in this pandemic time. Thank you, students.